Cyber attacks are evolving at an unprecedented pace, exposing critical weaknesses across global security infrastructures. This week's wave of coordinated breaches revealed a stark reality. That is, hackers are leveraging automation, AI, and advanced deception techniques to infiltrate even the most secure networks within hours of new vulnerabilities being disclosed. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Targets ranged from encrypted backup systems to internal corporate networks, once deemed impenetrable. Attackers deployed sophisticated phishing lures designed as recruitment messages, ultra-fast ransomware strains designed for stealth, and prolonged espionage campaigns extracting sensitive data undetected. These multi-layered tactics mirror the precision and coordination traditionally associated with state-sponsored operations, signaling a major escalation in cyber warfare. Experts warn that the shrinking window between vulnerability disclosure and exploitation represents a new and dangerous paradigm. Traditional patch cycles can no longer keep pace. To counter these intelligent threats, organizations must pivot towards real-time AI-driven defense models, that is, integrating autonomous threat detection, continuous monitoring, and zero-trust architectures. As cybercriminals harness machine intelligence to outpace human defenders, the future of cybersecurity will hinge on automation, speed, and proactive intelligence rather than reactionary protection. Let's look into today's headlines. NVIDIA joins $850 million push for India's deep tech startups. NVIDIA has joined Indian and US investors to back India's deep tech startups through the India Deep Tech Alliance, which has raised over $850 million. The alliance, launched in September with a $1 billion plan, supports companies in AI, robotics, semiconductors, and space technology. As a founding member, NVIDIA will offer technical expertise, training, and policy support. The move follows India's $12 billion initiative to strengthen research, development, and homegrown innovation in emerging technologies. Amazon and Perplexity lock horns over AI shopping tool. Amazon has asked AI startup Perplexity to remove its shopping assistant Comet from Amazon's website. The company said Comet broke its rules by not identifying itself as an AI agent. Perplexity called Amazon's move bullying, saying its bot only acts on user instructions. Amazon replied that all apps must identify themselves clearly. The dispute highlights rising tension between Amazon's own AI shopping bot and third-party AI tools. Verizon and AWS partner to boost AI infrastructure. Verizon has signed a new deal with Amazon Web Services to build high-capacity fiber routes connecting AWS data centers. The initiative, called Verizon AI Connect, aims to support the growing demand for generative AI by improving speed, reliability, and security of data processing. The move highlights how telecom and cloud giants are expanding infrastructure for AI-driven workloads. Financial details were not disclosed, but the partnership strengthens Verizon's ties with AWS. Apple releases iOS 26.1 with new liquid glass toggle and feature upgrades. Apple has rolled out iOS 26.1, adding a new transparency toggle for its liquid glass interface to improve text legibility. Users can now choose between clear or frosted designs. The update also introduces live translation in more languages, new Apple Music gestures, manual workout logging in fitness, and audio enhancements in FaceTime. Similar updates are rolling out across iPad OS, Mac OS, Watch OS, Vision OS, and TV OS. Google set to replace Assistant with AI-powered Gemini. Google is phasing out its long-running Google Assistant in favor of the AI-powered Gemini. The company is removing the option to switch back to Assistant from Gemini in Android settings. Gemini now includes nearly all features of Google Assistant, along with new updates like improved animations, expandable message views, and easier navigation. The move marks Google's complete shift towards AI-driven voice and chat assistants. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.